This is the JBL Charge Essential, you guys. Also, best of all, thank goodness it's a GG version. GGJL. Thank goodness. Goodness. Let's unbox it, shall we? Let's do it. A little awkward, I'll open it. Right. Just bear with me a moment. Oh, wait. Reset again. Reset, I'll take it off. Like this. PC squeezy. And then the same for the other. There it is. Yes. There it is. Yes, it's the usual charger's battery life 20 hours. I could get on the Charge 3. That speaker's exactly like the Charge 3 anyway. 20 hours, same as Charge 4 and Charge 5. You pay and charge endlessly. It's a GG, so happy. GG means best of the base. Thank goodness for that. Thank goodness. It's a GG. Thing already. Let me have a look at this little beast, guys. Using charging shit. Wow. It's like a Charge 3 thing. Wow. It's gunmetal. Metal grey. Look at this, guys. JBL Charge Essential. That is definitely a Charge 3 parody. Charge 3 style. Like a Charge 3. Excelente, fantastidosi. So this is a Charge Essential, exactly like a Charge 3, guys. Very next part of the video is I'm going to make a sound test. Hope you enjoy the sound test.